Yo, Marvel Rivals players, if you're getting low FPS, stutters, or GPU spikes in Season 3, this is the best FPS boost guide to make your game smooth and stable with memory and GPU optimization. First, always update your GPU drivers. New drivers give better performance and fix stutters in new seasons. Also, close background apps like Chrome, Discord overlays, or screen recorders to free RAM. Now open Marvel Rivals settings, set display mode to full screen, not borderless. Turn VSync off for lower input lag, enable NVIDIA Reflex or AMD anti-lag if available. Set these graphic settings, shadows should be on low, effects should be on low or medium, post-processing should be on low, anti-aliasing should be low, and motion blur should be off, and bloom should be always on off. Texture quality should be medium if you have 6 to 8 GB VRAM, and high only if you have 10 GB plus. So these settings reduce GPU load and stabilize FPS. Next, Windows optimization. Go to power options and select high performance mode. And then what you have to do is turn on game mode in your Windows settings and disable any unnecessary startup apps to save memory. For NVIDIA users, open control panel, click on manage 3D settings. Then you have to set power management to prefer maximum performance, low latency mode to on, and texture filtering quality to high performance. And for AMD users, you have to enable Radeon anti-lag and performance mode. Last step should be in-game FPS cap. Set it slightly below your monitor refresh rate, like 117 for 120Hz or 141 for 144Hz. This keeps FPS stable and reduces GPU spikes. Do all this and your game will run smoother and will get better FPS with less stutter and lower memory usage in your series. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.